What's up, guys? Dustin the Cardboard Hobby. We're breaking the second half from Monday night of our 2015 Bums Best Baseball. It's a four-box break. April 7th, 2016. Our teams and owners are as follows. We have Billy with the Royals, Darren with the Braves, David with the Red Sox, Francisco with the Angels, Gabriel with the White Sox, Jacob J. Marlins. We have Jared S. with the Mariners, Cardinals, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. John B. with the Cubs, John H. with the Dodgers, Josh F. with the Yankees, Mark B. with the Phillies, Matthew H. with the Padres, Robert K. with the Diamondbacks and Indians, Ryan E. Giants, Samantha with the Twins, Tim S. with the Astros, Yuval with the Brewers, and then Todd T. with everybody else, Orioles, Reds, Rockies, Tigers, Mets, A's, and Pirates. So there's our teams and orders. Here's our boxes for the night, guys. Actually, get this a little higher. There we go. Box number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4, we'll start with this one. Alright, guys, let's do it. Good luck. Our first half of this case wasn't anything special. I think we had a 1 or 2 nice hits in there. Nothing huge, so maybe it's in here. Here we go. Good luck. In the first half, I honestly don't even remember. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. Benedetto Trout duel. We'll randomize all those doubles at the end of the break, guys. We got a redemption. Dixon Machado. Best of Bowman. Dixon Machado. Auto. So the Tigers on the board with a Dixon Machado. We got a correct ice Conforto. Some base. Go. And we got a Bell Hosmer double. Pirates and Royals. Mike Nicorak, Rockies auto. Rockies on the board with a Nicorak. Get the focus there. There we go. Base, and then we got a Nick Gordon Twins. Nick Gordon for the Twins. Mini box 2. Man, this score in this Cubs game is nuts. 6-6 in the 4th inning. Schwarber left with an injury. Alrighty, we got out of 150 Steven Matz, or out of 150, yeah, Matz for the Mets. We got a dual Reds and Twins. So no one Frazier. Anthony Rizzo, Cubbies. Rizzo on the board with the Cubs hit. Anthony Rizzo, Chicago Cubs. Kyle Tucker, insert. Base. Giants, D-backs. The Swanson and Crawford, that'll be randomized as well. Pat Vendit, Oakland. Vendit for Oakland. Base auto. And then DeGrom, insert. Mets. Now that you mentioned it, Maddox, I think there was a Rogers out of 50. I think you're right. Speaking of Anthony Rizzo, there he is, the bat. Ripped it down the line. 1 run, 2 runs. Triple. Double RBI, triple for Rizzo. Syndergaard out of 150, Mets. A couple of Mets hits, Giants, D-backs, same one. So Diamondbacks will get one, Giants will get one. We're not going to randomize them. That would be dumb. You each will get one of those. Ian Happ, Cubs again. Ian Happ. Cubs on the board. There's second. Swanson. Insert. First impressions. Twins and Rockies. That was Twins and Reds. Buxton and Blackman. Oh, out of 25, Josh Naylor for the Marlins. Number out of 25. Number out of 25, Josh Naylor. Miami. Nice low numbered auto. We got Addison Russell for the Cubs. I think we might have a high def auto in here. Urias, if I can get past him. There we go. We got Bell and Hosmer again. Second one of those. So no randomized for these. You each will get one. Look at that. Anthony Rizzo, 2 of 5. Boom. Cubs Cubs with a nice one. Look at that. 2 of 5. Rizzo. Sweet. Sweetness for the Chicago Cubs. You paid for them. A couple of Rizzos. Rosenthal cracked ice. Then we got Twins Reds, the second one of those. So each will be getting one of those. Gonna be nice for me. I don't have to randomize anything. Another Cubs hit. Devontae Mitchell. Man, the Cubs are just killing it. Mitchell for the Cubs. Cubs are on a rampage tonight. Then we got the Miggy. Miggy. First half. TC Trex. I'll go over all the hits at the end here. Out of 99, Robert Stevenson for the Reds. I'll go over all the hits again at the end of the break here. Reds Yankees duel. So Michael Chavis. Red Sox. Red Sox on the board. Sorry about Brantley. Josh Naylor, first impressions. What the fuck? Camera's being stubborn tonight. There we go. Josh Naylor, Miami. Base. We got the Yankees and Marlins, Stanton and Judge. Phil Bickford for the Giants. Bickford. San Francisco. San Francisco on the board. It's their first hit. Another Cub. John Lester. Insert. Cubs going bananas. I think I saw a corner of a numbered auto coming up. Going to be our second one tonight, I think. Gallo out of 99. Rangers. Joey Gallo out of 99. We got a Cubs Giants. I don't think we have any of these yet. No. Cubs Giants. There we go. Benintendi, nice out of 99. Sweet hit for Boston. There we go. There we go, Red Sox out of 99. Nice. Congrats, Red Sox. That's what you're looking for. David S. David S. Nice hit. Correct ice, Andrew McCutcheon. Toronto, Texas, double. Gonna be Donaldson and Gallo. James Kaplan, Yankees. Lindor, Cleveland. All right, guys, last box. Thanks again, guys, buying in tonight. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys all stopping in tonight. We'll do the randoms for those doubles as soon as this breaks over. Jay Falk, who do you got? Who's your team tonight? Oh. I just don't recognize the eBay name, so or the username. Oh, nice, very cool. Figured you were the Yankees or Boston. I wasn't sure which one of the two. I don't think we've had any Pirates hits yet. Correa, first print out of 99, Houston. Dodgers, Kershaw and Urias. Garrett Whitley for the Rays. Garrett Whitley, Tampa Bay. I'll go over all the hits here at the end, guys, as well, in case you guys missed anything. Benintendi again, insert. We've had some Pirates cards. We've had a lot of, like, there's another Pirates card, just no autos yet. All the base cards do ship as well. So, Toronto Dodgers, I think we had this one already. Toronto, Texas. Nope. So that's a new one. Tulowitzki and Seager. Another Red Sox, Rafael Devers. Boston. Dodgers. Raz. All right, guys, last mini box. We'll go over our hits, then we'll do the randomizers. I know Pirates had an insert, too, one of those double inserts. There's two of them, so you're going to get one no matter what. Another redemption, maybe. See what the last box has in store for us. Good luck, guys. Texas, Seattle. It's positive we don't have one of those yet. There we go. All right, so this is going to be Tate and Hernandez. Redemption. Best of the 50 autograph green parallel, Byron Buxton. Nice hit for the Twins. Buxton, best of green parallel for the Minnesota Twins. So congrats, Twins. That's a nice hit. Nice hit. Correct ice, Russell. Ash Russell, correct ice for the Royals. Mirror image, Dodgers, Brewers, Braun, and Peterson. Here we go, guys. This is it. Good luck. Braxton Davidson, Braves. Nice looking auto, too. That's a sweet auto. Braxton Davidson, nice looking card for the Braves. And Bryce Harper rounds us out. Bryce Harper rounds us out. Let's go over hits, and then we'll do the randoms. Braxton Davidson, Braves. Byron Buxton, Green Parallel, Twins. Devers, Red Sox. Whitley, Rays. Kaplan, Yankees. Bennett, Kennedy, sick hit out of 99, Red Sox. Bickford, Giants. Chavez, Red Sox. Mitchell, Cubs. We got a sick Rizzo for the Cubs out of 5. Focus here. 2 of 5, Anthony Rizzo. Sick hit. And we got Josh Naylor out of 25, orange parallel. Ian Happ, Cubs. Bendit, Oakland. Rizzo, Cubs. Cubs had 4 hits in this. Nickelrack, Rockies. Dixon Machado, Detroit Tigers. Dixon Machado. All right, guys, then we got to do the randomizers for all these ones. We have 8 of them. So bear with me here. Set up random.org. Random.org. Hope if I could spell it. All right. First up, Texas, Seattle. Get all right, guys. I'm not going to be able to chat while this is going. I'm going to go through as fast as I can. Texas, Seattle. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2. We do 5 times for the eBay description. And 5. Seattle's on top. Seattle over Texas. All right. Next one's going to be Dodgers, Blue Jays. Dodgers, Blue Jays. Let's Toronto. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dodgers on top. We got Boston Angels. Boston. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. LA Angels on top. LA Angels over Dodgers. Over the Red Sox. Okay, Minnesota, Colorado. Minnesota, Colorado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minnesota's on top. Cincinnati, New York Yankees. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cincinnati's on top, even though it says chin. Cincinnati over Yankees. Yankees. All right. Yankees, Marlins. Why Miami? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yankees on top. Chicago Cubs, San Francisco Giants. CCSF. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cubs on top. Texas, Toronto to round us off. Actually, Texas, Toronto are owned by the same person. Yeah, Texas, Toronto are the same person, so that's irrelevant. All right, guys, that's our break. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll answer anything you guys have. If not, thanks for breaking with cleverhobby.com. Appreciate you guys stopping in tonight. Any questions, feel free to let me know.